I was fixing my planner for the week that is published on my schedule, and I noticed that I have to add the new months and remove the old months. Let me show you what it was. I will remove August. This is what it was, August. As you can see, let me try to go closer. Okay, sorry, I'm not using my little helper here. I wish I can put something to. Let's put this better. So this is the way that I did August, just to show you it, and I keep doing every month. I enjoy in this way. I think this was the last time that I used this format. Yeah, I changed the format of this page. So here I organize, like always, how I do my sewing and my cleaning. Here, things that happened that month I wanted to share. Things to remember every time when I have vacation. This was like what I have to pay, what I have to take care, and I changed that too. And as you can see, this was a candy that somebody, a co-worker gave me. It was so nice, and I keep it. I keep doing, like, every time that I have my game, stuff like that, sharing. I didn't do so much here, kind of lazy mode, and other days I do more. I like to just keep the colors and everything going. I watched all Harry Potter on this day. It was amazing. And like you can see, some days I really do a lot, other days I don't do a lot. I try to keep track of birthdays, paydays, all that kind of things. Getting ideas for sewing, things that happen. Sometimes I don't put a picture, but I put nice stickers that make me happy when I see it. I like to also do the stamping. Stamping is fun. It gives a little, like, the coloring and everything. Oh, when I got my tomatoes and plums, of course. My blouse, I did this blouse in this month, and I put also something there in the beginning. And I began that day, I finished this, if I'm not wrong. I just wanted to keep the pictures, so more there. A relaxing day. Oh, this day homesick. Yeah, I was not feeling good that day, and that was my first So Haley Jane. So I have, no, it's the second. So I have the page and the picture of what I did for Frosty. And the back, nothing. And then it came September. Again, my cleaning. What I sew, I only sewed my dungarees. What I did with the garden, celebrations, my diet, and what I'm reading, that I'm really behind actually. Now I got more into the book, and then I changed this part of the cleaning. As you can see, what I'm cleaning, and more organized on my cleaning there. Keep going on every day. Like this was the dinner for Labor Day. Oh, it was a lot of food, but the previous year we didn't remember what it was. I wish the color were better. It doesn't look so good. It looks like an old picture. Yeah, and that's how I have my planner. This was from, I received the pattern for my dungarees, so this came with that. More of my days, not a lot happened in those days, kind of like very slow days. Here I did some, I got the mums and I planted in the garden. I did some sewing here. It say that I was working on the bit of my dungarees. Here more gardening. I pick a lot of tomatoes. This was a little more busy day, and you can see that by how it goes in the day. When I have a lot to do, I keep going and marking, and other times I don't. And then what I did in these days, fall, the beginning of fall, of course, I have to mark and put there. Very simple things. The same for this, and we are going to the end of the month. The rains begin, the weather is changing, it's getting more cold. This was for Frosty's birthday. I try to keep memory of what I did. And then I have my other Sohail again, and this is I have to fill this. I don't want to show all the information here, but it's like I will fill here and then tracking of what I spent. And then October, it begins October. I'm ready to put all that I'm doing and what days I have off. Again, organizing like that. And this was Frosty's birthday. The other was when I bought the things and bake it. So. And we are so far here. So tomorrow is a new day. And now time to refill and take the old ones. Good morning. As you see, I was filling the card for my husband and I got the one from him. It's a cute one. Look at this. For my wonderful one. And I want to show what it says inside, but it's so pretty. And I will put on my desk. It's like really nice. We decided that we are not going to have lunch today outside. It's Friday and usually get so bad the traffic because all the people that is leaving for work. So I have plans for today. He's going to get some food for us here, and then we will celebrate or go to have lunch the next week on Thursday. That is really nice. I'm organizing my planner, and here I'm doing some of my cleaning. I already play a little my game, and I began to take out everything that is for my decorations. I have a big mess here, but it would be nice. I'm doing also laundry. I was checking and updating my sewing journal, and I put the last one that I did, all the information that I need for the future to do, because I think I will be doing this one. The only thing that I don't like is sleeves, so maybe I will do longer sleeve and maybe with elastic. Yeah, that will be really nice because it's a really nice and easy blouse to make. And make it this longer is not so bad. It's just increasing the size or just copy from another one. So I'm watching one fabric. I want to make this one. I think I will do that one. And tomorrow, no, Sunday is arriving the pattern for my dress, and it will be perfect because now I can finish that dress for the next week. I hope so. Okay, let's keep organizing. Today is the last day of sun that we have, and I have a lot of things to do. One is put this in the right place, fertilize that one. I checked these bulbs and I think this one maybe. I will see which one will survive from all these and which ones are bad. I bought today extra and decoration. Okay, let's get decoration. Have Halloween. Ooh, and pumpkins and everything. Okay, let's get all. This is the beginning. Let's see how we go. I need to get all this on. I can do it. Let's see. fix this, clean, and then put bulbs. Clean all these poor mess. Trim some of these. And you stay there. Yes. And this is how it's looking so far. All that I have done. So this is a little more neat. I can put the bulbs there. There's a sticky dog. Sticky dog. And here, everything clean. Also, I trim a little my bulbs. What? You wanna go outside? Inside?